Hello guys, how are you? I am Noor and today I will explain how we can add IActionResult method in ASP MVC .NET 6 controller and then how we can add a view accordingly. So I am going to the Visual Studio 22 version and let's me create a new project. Click on this template. And here I will search for the ASP MVC. Select these, the ASP.NET Core Web App with Model View Controller. Click on Next. And here I will add the name for the project. My project name should be ASP MVC do app 3. Yes. It will be the location for the project. And it is also the solution name. The project and solution name is same at this time. You can change the solution name if you want. Click on Next. And here the .NET 6 version is selected, no authentication tab, and I will uncheck this option. Guys, so the project created successfully. Let's me run the project and so that we can observe whether it's running successfully or have an issue. You can see that the project is created successfully and now it's running. Now I will add a new action method and then we'll add a view accordingly inside the home controller. Go to the home controller. Let me first stop the application. Go to the home controller. Let's me remove this kind of thing, the extra thing. Now I have currently two action results, the index and the privacy. Now here I will add a new action method, IActionResult. Its name should be like teacher data. And here I will return a view. Now I will also keep the HTTP GET attribute about this method. It is a best practice. If you not add this attribute, it will work fine. But it is a good practice to add the HTTP GET attribute on the action result method that have a view associated. Right? Now here I will add a view for these IAction result. There are two ways to add a view. You can either click right on this folder, click on add, and then view, add view with the name teacher data. And there is also another method. Just right click inside the teacher data function, add view, and here select this option, click on add, and now you have to choose the layout. Click on this, go to the views, go to the shade, select this one, click OK, and the view name you know that is teacher data. Now click on add. Okay, so you can see that the view is added successfully inside the home folder. Here you can see the view. Now let's me run the project. Okay, the project runs successfully. Now I will redirect to the teacher data view. For these, I have to type a URL inside the browser. The controller name is whom and the view name is teacher data. So it will be the complete URL. Press enter. You can see that the teacher data, we are at the teacher data view page. So guys, we can add any kind of view inside the controller like in this way, and then we can add view accordingly. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye this time.